Okay, so in this video, we'll learn about how we can create a list, which is uh, repeated numbers of list. For example, or we can say that when we are creating a list with a given size and initial value. So let's see how we can do that. So what we are going to learn, this agenda for this session is uh, creating a list with a given size and initial values. Okay, so that's an agenda for this session, and let's do that. So there is a function, so we'll be using one list comprehension. Now this is somewhat little advanced to you, however, okay, we'll cover that and then I'll cover that. Anyways, I will be covering list comprehension in upcoming videos, but let's see that. So using list comprehension. Okay, so just see what I'm okay, so let me see. I want to create a list which has number 6, or let's say a 0 value, and I want it to be of size, let's say 10. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell that I want to create a list of I'm a list which is having 10 zeros element, 10 elements, or all the elements are 0. So let's see how it looks, right? So yeah, so we see we have a list which has 10 elements and all are 0. So in machine learning we use numpy zeros and something of that sort, right? So similar on that line, understanding these are maybe the weights I'm initially assigning 0 0 for all my neural network, and something of that sort. So the idea here is to learn that how can we create a list rather than me writing 10 zeros. I'm just multiplying it by a list comprehension way. We learn that in upcoming video, and that's how we can create. Okay, so if you're finding it difficult, just I want you to skip this particular session and go to the next session. And once I will be teaching you how we can use list comprehension, and come back and see that, and that time you will realize that how simple it was, right? Okay, moving on. So we will be using a repeat function, using repeat function. Okay, so from iter tools, this is a package, import repeat. Okay, and then let's say new list is equals to list. Okay, so let me first show you what is this repeat. So let's say I want to repeat 1 and I want to repeat 10 times, right? So basically it does like that. So now this returns this object, and for converting this you need to do some arrangement which I was trying to do here, right? So this is how we can convert it into a list, and then I can see a new list. Okay, perfect. So now with that, I think you can create any number of repeated lists. Like for example, if I want to create, let's say 10,000, it will create a list for you. Okay, so this is how we can do that, just in a 2-line code. I think that's all in this video. We'll see how we can remove duplicates in the next video. Thank you. See you in another video.